Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to take you through the process of installing and uninstalling Google Chrome on Ubuntu. Google Chrome is renowned for its speed, simplicity, and security features, making it a preferred choice for many users worldwide. Let's dive into the installation process, shall we? First things first, we need to update the repository index. Open up your terminal and type in sudo apt update. This command ensures that you have the latest package information. Now, let's download the latest version of Google Chrome using wget. Type in wget and the current stable version of Google Chrome. This will download the installation package for Google Chrome. Now check if the package is successfully downloaded using ls command. With the package downloaded, it's time to install Google Chrome. Type in sudo dpkg with the downloaded package name. This command installs Google Chrome on your Ubuntu system. In case you encounter any dependency issues, fret not. You can resolve them by executing sudo apt install f. This command ensures all dependencies are met, and there you have it. Google Chrome is now installed on your Ubuntu system. But what if you want to uninstall it? To uninstall Google Chrome, simply open up your terminal and type in sudo apt remove Google Chrome stable. This command removes Google Chrome from your system. Additionally, you can clean up residual configuration files by executing sudo apt purge Google Chrome stable. This ensures a complete removal of Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to channel for such contents.